Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I actually am going to do a unboxing for a change. I rarely do these when it's just from a company, but I needed some silver for pouring, and Provident had some stuff on sale, so I went ahead and ordered it. And what it was they had just generic rounds, secondaries, supposed to be mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we will see if there's any keepers in here before we melt them, because I have no idea what these are going to be. So that's actually kind of fun for a change. So we'll see if we can get this out of here. I actually got them at a pretty decent price. I think they were 49 cents over. So we will see what we ended up with. Hopefully there's a couple little keepers in here. So let's see what we got. If we got all the same thing, or if we can even get into this thing, or if we got mixed up stuff or whatever. And I think we got all the same thing. Wow. These are Pegasus 2017. Nice. Why'd they have to send me something nice? Now I'm going to have to get more silver to melt. But they are all the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I guess I'm going to have to keep 10 of these. Well, so much for getting silver to melt. Well, anyhow, guys, I just wanted to show you what I got. I'll show them to you again, the front and the back. These are actually really pretty. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's a winged Pegasus. It says Freedom on the front, 2017. And there is the back. 1 troy ounce, 999 fine. aggoldandsilver.com. So, oh well, I guess I'm going to have to get some more, because I am definitely going to keep some of those. So anyway, that was just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you. Well, we ended up with 4 we can throw in the furnace. So we'll get back at you again with another video shortly. Have a good one, guys.